Welcome back, or to Terry on Designs. Today I thought it would be fun to try a crochet kit because if you couldn't guess, I am a crocheter, but I realized I have never used one. So I'm excited for this, so let's get started. This is the kit I will be using. If you guys want me to try woo-wools, comment that down below, but I decided to start with a more budget-friendly option for this one. This I found at Hobby Lobby, and it's a little koala. So let's open this thing up. Okay, so we have the stuffing and the yarn and supplies. Oh, this is so soft. So it comes with an eye and one of these plastic needles, some black and white chenille yarn, gray chenille yarn, and then this fluffy yarn, and also some embroidery floss. And of course the directions and stuffing. And it comes with a plastic 5mm crochet hook, but we are trading this thing out for a metal one. Let's look at the directions. I have now looked over the directions. So now grab some jelly beans and watch me try to make this thing. Really hope it's supposed to look like this. Finished round 4 and I like how it's looking. I really hope I'm doing this right. Did I mention I have never made a mini plushie before? This is so soft, but the yarn is a little thin. Row 11 is now done. I am almost done with the body of this thing, and it's so fluffy and soft. Okay, I need to start stuffing it. Do I add more stuffing to this? Sure, I have a history of overstuffing, but I'll add more anyway. Okay, I have finished making the body of the koala. Done with round 3 of the head. Oh gosh, I tightened it. Done with round 4. We're gonna start adding the eyes. Oh, this is hard. Okay, I'm gonna secure this. That looks so weird. I just finished round 8 on the head, and feels weird to crochet something that's staring at me. Last row of the head. Okay, so now I get to fasten off the head. That sounds so weird. I have the head and the body done now. Okay, I'm gonna make the arms really quick and then I'll be back. So as it turned out, I decided to crochet everything, including the ears, the legs, the arms, and the nose. So by the time I turned my camera back on, it was time to put the whole thing together. Honestly, if there were 2 things I wish the directions did differently, was the neck, because it was really thin for such a plump stuffed animal, and also the leg shape was super weird and made them a little floppy. That's the only thing I would say about this. Before you buy a kit, make sure to check what level it is. Mine is on the higher spectrum of crochet terminology and knowledge and stuff like that, so just be aware of that when going into it. This is how the final stuffed animal turned out. So cute, and the little face. So thank you for joining me on trying my first crochet kit, and I will see all of you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.